Okay, that should be enough time here. Let's do Control G and get live. I'm going to start my log. I'm simply going to free rev it and bring my engine up, and what we're going to be seeing is that it should build boost. Now, we don't know what it's going to build. That's the point of kind of figuring out this table. Really aggressive values will build boost super quick. It'll be really loud, poppy and bangy, two-step, probably throwing some flames. I'm going to be trying to be a little bit more conservative right off the bat here. So let's do Control L, and let's see what's going to happen here. So I'm going to bring my engine RPM up. I'm just going to start to rev it. All right, let's stop it. So I didn't have enough ignition timing there. I didn't have enough ignition retard to build much more than 5 to 6 pounds of boost. So we'll call this launch control test 1 so we can see this. All right, so let's take a look through our data log here and kind of talk about this. So we can see here, I come up to my 5,000 RPM. My boost here is at 0. My ignition timing all of a sudden starts to retard, and that's coming from my table here, -30. And then as I get up to my range of control, we're going to be seeing that my spark timing drops to 3 degrees. It's taking out 18 from my table, where I'm at here at 4 pounds of boost. So let's be very clear here, flex ignition. 4 pounds, we're about looking here between 24 and 21 degrees. So we're taking 18 from that. And we're going to be seeing that that's where we get this value here of approximately 4 degrees. So if we want to build more boost, we need to be more aggressive. We need to have a more retarded value in the table. So I'm going to go here at 4 pounds of boost. I'll go here to -30. And at 6, I'll go here to something like -20. And then here at 8, we'll go here to something like -10. And we'll just try it. It's going to take a little bit of trial and error and experimentation to set this up here. What we should see is it's going to come up to approximately 9-10 pounds of boost, and if we're there, I'm going to stop. It's very important that you don't stay on the two-step or stay on this launch control, specifically on the anti-lag. It's hard on the engine, and you only want to use it sparingly, so I recommend to not stay on it all the time. What I'll do here at 0 degrees, I'll actually go ahead and go here to -35, just be a little more aggressive so it gets up into boost a little bit quicker. So the higher the negative values, the more boost it's going to build, the faster it's going to build. So let's try it right now. Let's do Control G.